Welcome to another video. First video I have released about BusinessSync, and it is the partial video about the update I have made after publishing last video, and I am showing what changes I have made after first video released. Here you can see the dashboard, and you already see if you already seen the first video, you can refer what is the changes I have made in dashboard. Actually, I made the UI and UX improvement here, and you can see there is a button. This button for four option here, and first option is about to make the application full screen, and second one is to upload to cloud. Suppose if you want to upload a file to your server, then just use this button to upload. After upload, you will get a link for total files, and you can use this link anywhere it's needed. And then there is a button for calculator, and it was also available in first version I have released. And I made this calculator draggable. You can make position where you want to it. Suppose I can change the position, and also there is another button to scroll to top button. And finally, another sense we have made after the last one, that is in the search window. This search box improvement the visuality. Suppose this was not like that, you are watching now. So there is an improvement. And after that, major change we have made, it is to accounts and finance. And accounts and finance, I have added the cheque, and cheque are currently showing as a calendar, and I have also view as a list view, and there is a calendar view. When we click on a calendar view, I can make it as clear, cancelled, and dishonor or delete. Something what I can do. And how it is working and how can we move forward with the cheque, I am showing you, as it was not available in the last video. Suppose I want to edit a book for a specific banks. First of all, I want to edit a bank. Here I want to edit a bank asset and current asset. Inside the bank accounts, I am adding a bank account, my bank name here, my bank, which is associated with my business. So for example, I giving name National Bank Limited. Other information is alternative. I can fill or not or ignore it. So I am saving National Bank, and now I am going to check again and adding a book for National Bank, and there is a National Bank listed. And this is branch is my business branch, not bank branch. My business is optional. If I add it, it will be applicable for this specific branch or unit only. And issue date is not issue date is a check book issue date, and book number. Suppose I am giving the book number, and check number serial start. Check number serial start. Suppose it is a start from this number, and I added the in check book number. In check book number may be 90. Now I am adding. Oh, issue date should not today. Issue date maybe it is last day, last one day. So I am saving this save success. Now I am adding a check or issuing a check. When I issue a check, I am issuing check date on the date of 25 to December 2024, and bank is National Bank, and I am issuing for just I'm selecting a ledger, and then check number. Now check number is available according to my given sequence for when I adding the check book. Now available from starting to 72 to 90. I added one, and the date I am giving the date is 31. And sec type is cash sec. There is another four option: cross sec, tt sec, dd sec, and tc sec. I am giving the cash sec, doesn't matter. And the amount is, I am giving 10,000. And note, I am writing some note. It is a testing sec entry and saving. It is saved. Now back to list. When I see that there is a 31 on December, there is a sec number and sec amount here. When I click, I have option to clear this sec, cancel this sec, and dishonor and delete. When I mark it as cleared, it make a transaction to the accounts transaction. Otherwise, it will be stored as a sec given or sec issued. I can cancel it, or I can make is a dishonored sec, which will not affect to the transaction. And suppose I want to delete this, I can delete here. And this was our last change to the sec entry, which is under the accounts and finance section. It was not available in last video I have published, and this feature is added as a last change. And after all, and another major change we have made after the last one is inside the sales report. In the above section, in first video you see there is a lot of filtering option. Now all filtering option goes inside this button, and there is also added show only incompleted invoice. That means those invoices are not completed will be listed. When I click, it will be listed only incompleted. This icon showing, this icon means this is incompleted. When this completed, it will show another icon such like this icon. That means it is a sec icon. And when I click on this button, I will get four options here. First one is a print invoice, collect bill, and print salon and delete sale. That means I can do two types of printing: invoice printing and salon printing. Salon needed when we deliver the item to using our courier to different location. Then we need a salon. So salon will not contains the pricing information, just quantity and product information only available in salon. So the all filtering option goes this button. And here you last video here you can see, you see this there is a deleting option, editing icon, and this goes inside this button. And only one, when I click this details, then there is a option to edit the information, buyer information. So this was this changed made in this video after last video if I published in YouTube. And also another change I made, there is in accounts and finance section, and there is a ledger, the ledger editing. Suppose I want to update some ledger information. Suppose all buyer is listed here, and I want to change the email address and address and notes, also mobile number, and I can also change the name if I have not made any transaction with this ledger. Otherwise, changing to the name will not allow. Suppose if I made to change this, I can see there is a button. That means I have to confirm that I have made this change and I want to update the record in database. Okay, and there is no more change. Purchase production item serial. Suppose I am giving an item serial. This way we can update the serial number here. So it is the it was total last change I have made after first video we released, and it is the last one for 2024, and we will not change anything in this year. And next change will maybe if needed in next January and February monthly basis, we'll update the system. So the existing client will get only monthly update from this video. Thank you everyone.